Welcome back to the channel. And hashtag 128663. Friends, in this video you watch complete review of Hyundai Santro, a comfortable, budget-friendly, and feature-packed hatchback. The Hyundai Santro has established itself as a popular and reliable choice in India's hatchback segment. With a powerful engine, modern technology, and a comfortable driving experience, it is a great option for both city and highway travel. Known for its compact design, high mileage, and strong brand reputation, the Santro is an excellent family car with low maintenance, top-notch safety features, and affordable on-road costs. Stylish and bold design. The Hyundai Santro features a modern and stylish design with a fresh and attractive look. The front cascading grille with chrome finish, sharp halogen headlamps, and aerodynamic body give it a strong road presence. The clean finish and sporty rear look enhance its overall appeal. Key design features: white heavy checkmark cascading grille with chrome finish, white heavy checkmark sharp halogen headlamps and fog lamps, white heavy checkmark sporty rear design with a clean finish, white heavy checkmark sleek body lines and a comfortable structure, white heavy checkmark 14-inch steel wheels for an aerodynamic look. Powerful and efficient engine. The Hyundai Santro is powered by a 1.1L BS6 compliant petrol engine that produces 68 bhp and 99 Nm torque. It comes with a 5-speed manual transmission and an optional AMT, automated manual transmission, for a smooth and effortless driving experience. The Santro is also available in a CNG variant, offering high mileage and low maintenance costs. Key engine and performance features: white heavy checkmark 1.1L petrol engine, 68 bhp/99 Nm torque. White heavy checkmark 5-speed manual and AMT transmission options. White heavy checkmark CNG variant, 60 bhp/85 Nm torque. White heavy checkmark high mileage, 20.3 km per liter, petrol, and 30.48 km per kilogram, CNG. White heavy checkmark BS6 compliant engine with low carbon emissions. High mileage and low maintenance. The Hyundai Santro is designed for long-distance travel with excellent fuel efficiency. The petrol variant offers 20.3 km per liter mileage, while the CNG variant delivers 30.48 km per kilogram, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. The BS6 technology ensures reduced energy consumption and long-term reliability. Key mileage and maintenance features: white heavy checkmark 20.3 km per liter mileage in petrol variants. White heavy checkmark 30.48 km per kilogram mileage in CNG variant. White heavy checkmark fuel efficient engine with BS6 technology. White heavy checkmark low maintenance costs and high durability. Modern and comfortable interiors. The Hyundai Santro offers a spacious and comfortable interior with a modern dashboard design. The front seats provide good legroom and comfortable back support, ensuring a relaxing experience during long journeys. The feature-packed dashboard and premium quality interiors add a luxurious feel to the car. Key interior and comfort features: white heavy checkmark modern dashboard design. White heavy checkmark soft and comfortable seat covers. White heavy checkmark wide-angle visibility and power steering. White heavy checkmark AC vents and multifunction steering wheel. White heavy checkmark spacious seating with ample legroom and headroom. Top-class safety features. The Hyundai Santro is equipped with advanced safety features, including dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, and ISOFIX child seat anchors. Additionally, the reverse parking sensors and strong body structure provide maximum safety for passengers. Key safety and braking features: white heavy checkmark ABS anti-lock braking system with EBD. White heavy checkmark dual front airbags for added protection. White heavy checkmark ISOFIX child seat anchors. White heavy checkmark reverse parking sensors and camera. White heavy checkmark strong body structure with crumple zones. Advanced technology and infotainment system. The Hyundai Santro comes with advanced technology to enhance the driving experience. It features a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity and USB ports, making every journey more convenient and entertaining. Key technology and infotainment features. White heavy checkmark 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. White heavy checkmark Bluetooth and USB connectivity. White heavy checkmark power steering and power windows. White heavy checkmark remote central locking and parking sensors. White heavy checkmark steering mounted controls and audio system. Variants and pricing. The Hyundai Santro is available in petrol and CNG variants, with prices starting at 4.90 Indian rupees lakh. It offers multiple variants to cater to different customer needs. Key variants and prices. White heavy checkmark Era Executive, 4.90 Indian rupees lakh, base variant. White heavy checkmark Magna, 5.50 Indian rupees lakh. White heavy checkmark Sports, 5.99 Indian rupees lakh. White heavy checkmark CNG Magna, 6.80 Indian rupees lakh. Final verdict, should you buy the Hyundai Santro? The Hyundai Santro is an ideal hatchback for families and daily commuters looking for affordability, comfort, and reliability. With its modern features, powerful engine, high mileage, and low maintenance costs, it stands out as one of the best budget-friendly cars in India. If you are looking for a stylish, fuel-efficient, and feature-packed hatchback, the Hyundai Santro is a great choice for you. And hashtag 128663 and hashtag 128168. Please comment about this knowledgeable video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.